What is a polynomial? Before we get into the definition of polynomial, let's understand the concept of algebraic expression and term. An algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable connected by some or all basic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. For example, 3x plus 7 is an algebraic expression which is connected by plus operator by combining the constant 3 with variable x and a constant 7. 4x cube plus 7y square minus 21 is also an algebraic expression having plus and minus operators. Now, let's understand what is term in an algebraic expression. Various parts of algebraic expressions separated by plus or minus operator are called as terms. For example, 3x plus 7 has got two terms. So 3x is one term and 7, which is constant, which is another term. In 4x cube plus 7y square minus 21, there are three terms. 4x cube is the first term, 7y square is the second term, and 21 is the third term, separated by plus and minus operator. Now, let's understand what is polynomials. So, polynomials, as the name suggests, it is combination of poly and nomials, where poly means many and nomials means terms or parts. So, which has got many terms and parts is called as polynomial. There are different types of polynomials. A polynomial can be an expression with one term, two term, three term, four terms, or many terms. Polynomial expression with one term is called monomial. With two terms it is called binomial. Three terms polynomial is called trinomial, and with four terms it is called quadrinomial. There can be polynomial with more than four terms as well. The literal meaning of mono is one. That's why it has got only one term. Bi means two, tri means three, and quadra means four. Let's understand some examples of monomials. 3 is a monomial as it has got only one term. 4x is also example of monomial. Let's understand binomial expression. 3x plus 7 has got two terms, that's why it is called as binomial expression. 3xy square minus 7 is also a binomial because it has also got two terms. Let's understand the trinomial expression now. 3x minus 4y plus 9 has got three terms, that's why it is trinomial expression. 3x square plus 4y square minus 11 is also a trinomial expression. X plus y plus ab plus 7 is quadrinomial because it has got four terms into it. A plus b plus c plus d plus 5 is an example of polynomial with 5 terms. Now, let's understand what is degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial is the highest or the greatest power of variable in the polynomial expression. For example, 3x cube plus 4y square plus z plus 9, the degree of this expression is 3 because the highest power of the variable is 3 in this expression. Now let's understand the type of polynomials based on the degree of polynomial. The polynomial of degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. For example, 3x plus 7. Here, the highest power of variable x is 1 because x can be represented as x to the power 1. This is a linear polynomial. Polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 3x square plus 7, 5x square plus 4x plus 9, you can see the highest power of variable x is 2. That's why it is called as quadratic polynomial. The polynomial with degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. For example, 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4y minus 8. The highest power of x is 3 over here. The polynomial with degree 4 is called as biquadratic polynomial. For example, 3x to the power 4 plus 5y cube plus 1 is an example of biquadratic polynomial. The polynomial with the degree 0 is called as constant polynomial. Number 4, minus 5 are some of the example. Number 4 can be represented as 4 into x to the power 0. As we know, x to the power 0 or any number to the power 0 is 1. That's why it is a valid polynomial with a degree 0, it is called as constant polynomial. Let's learn the bookish definition of polynomials. An algebraic expression in which variables involved are having non-negative integral powers is called as polynomial. I have few examples on the screen. Let's identify whether those are polynomials or not. 3x is a polynomial with the one term where x is multiplied by constant 3. X can be represented as x to the power 1. X minus 9 is also polynomial which has got two terms. Minus 6x cube minus 7 by 9 times y is also polynomial, where 6 is a constant multiplied by x cube and 7 by 9 is a constant multiplied by y. 9xyz plus 3x square y cube z plus 0.1xy plus 0.7, yes, it is also a polynomial. 0.1 and 0.7, these are the constant. 313 times y to the power 5 plus 85 times z to the power 9 is a valid polynomial. Number 5 is also a valid polynomial. Just now we have seen such type of polynomials are called as constant polynomials. Now tell me, 6x into y to the power minus 2, is it a polynomial? So the answer is no, it is not a polynomial because it has got exponent with negative power. So if the power is negative, then it is not a valid polynomial. 5 over x minus 3, is it a polynomial? No, it's not, because dividing by variable is not allowed as per the definition of polynomial. Square root of x is not a polynomial because it can be represented as x to the power 1 over 2, and the exponent here is a fractional value, that is why it is not qualified as a polynomial. Now tell me, x over 5, is it a polynomial? Yes, it is, because it can be represented as 1 times 5 times x, where 1.5 is a constant multiplied by x. Square root of 2 is also a polynomial because square root of 2 has got a constant value of 1.4142. That is why it is a constant polynomial. I hope, friends, this video has helped you to understand the concept of polynomials. If yes, please do subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us for more videos like this. Thank you.